Hey guys, it's Jonathan from Bullet Motorsports. Right next to me we have a 1987 Buick Grand National with a ton of modifications. Be sure to like and subscribe below so we can give you more content. This is no ordinary Grand National. What we have underneath here is a TA49 turbo, 3-inch downpipe, full exhaust. It's running on E85, around 24 pounds of boost. It has an Aeromotive fuel pressure regulator, and you have a conversion for the disc brakes. Also, it has a Gen V built transmission with less than 100 miles on it. The rear end was rebuilt about 80 miles ago. So you're looking at something that's going to be essentially bulletproof and give you a lot of smiles. You've got your PTP turbo blanket right there, and then you can see your precision wastegate. The owner of this car, John, a close friend of ours, modified it after he purchased it from us. All these modifications that you see can be removed, so all this trim is removable. You've got some blankets here that can come off, along with some of the interior modifications. Also, the two items that are orange, which you're going to see right here, can be painted back to black, and it'll be like original again. And if you purchase it at the asking price, we will take care of that for you. The whole front end is extremely clean. We did the fiberglass fillers when we sold it at first. I've already talked about all the drivetrain modifications essentially. It's a really clean setup. It has awesome cruise performance pulleys as well, and it still is running the factory style intercooler, which is neat. You have your Omni coils, and then brand new wires and plugs. And then you have your polished valve cover, and then the intake manifold was taken off, painted and cleared, so it just looks killer. You also have a polished intake manifold, the snout, and then your throttle body is polished as well. You have a 3.5-inch before the turbo, so this is where the air is coming in, so it gives it a little bit more of a tubular effect going in, more airflow. That's pretty much it for the inside here. You're gonna love it when we go for the ride. When you look down the driver's side, the paint's easily an 8 out of 10, and it does have the WS6 wheels with G-Force tires up front, and then Mickey Thompson ET Streets in the rear. So you need those to actually put the power down. Your emblems are in the proper place, and they are original. You also have your 3.8 SFI turbo badge up top. As we look at the driver's side, you can see it's extremely clean. There's no waves. The bodywork is very, very nice. It's had one repaint, and this was not a cheap job. We actually painted the front end of this vehicle, so we painted the front bumperette and the filler. Also, you could see that we've talked about it already, the wheels, they're polished, so the lips are polished and they show really, really well. There's a little bit of water spots when we washed it today. Tires have less than 150 miles on them. I put them on before I sold it, and he didn't put many miles on it. Brand new stainless exhaust, and you'll see that in the video. I'm gonna go ahead and come to the rear now. Look at how nice the trunk and roof line are. Extremely clean. See ya. I'm hiring a manager. Moms. We're gonna open up the trunk right now. So John put in a custom kicker stereo with Boss components. It's all really clean and nice. You have another set of mats, and then they did a trunk kit here as well, and it's dynamatted throughout. So for sound, it's not gonna rattle. The stereo sounds really good. Here's your WE2 option right here, so that shows it's a real Grand National. And by the way, this car only has, I think it's 33,000 original miles. As we look down the passenger side, it's extremely clean, just like the driver's side. I'm gonna open up the passenger side door, and I didn't mention that John replaced all the rubber gaskets throughout. So it's actually a nice seal when you're driving on the highway. There's not a lot of wind noise. And as you look at the interior, you're gonna see that it's original interior. It does have some accents that have been added by John, but they're all removable. So these actually pop right out. They just slide into place. Let me see. See, they just pull out. And put him back before he comes over here and kicks my butt. The steering wheel cover is removable, and then also the dash. Underneath here is perfect. There you go, you can see that. He put this here for protection. Headliner's in great shape as well. And this is one of the more sought after vehicles because it doesn't have a sunroof. I like sunroofs, but a lot of the purists would rather have a hard top for flex. You can see the added speakers back there, and this is all removable, so you can put that deck piece back in, and you've got some kicker panels back there. It sounds great. It sounds like you're in a concert. Door shuts nicely. Passenger side fender looks great as well, and the front end is just killer. Let's go ahead and take it for a ride. I'm gonna go ahead and fire her off. Sounds good and smells good. It smells like corn, E85. You do have an aftermarket stereo, and the AC is ice cold. Nice scan master where everybody puts it. It also has a digital boost gauge from Autometer and a temperature, trans temperature gauge. The only thing I could pick on this car, this is a really, really nice Grand National, is the RPM, the lights are reading about 2,000 RPM over where they should be. So let me move these dice here. So that should be like around 2,500 RPMs, and it's showing almost red line. That's a common issue with these. You can send them out to get rebuilt. I'm gonna go in the rear and let you see, give it a little bit of gas so you can hear how nice the exhaust is. Go, give it some more. Wow. That's awesome. Let's go for a ride. Hey JR, you want to go for a ride?
Yes.
All right. So we have a friend JR here. He's a pilot, so he's going to tell us how the G-forces are when we do the test drive. I'm sure it's nothing compared to, what do you fly?
The Airbus A321.
He also just bought this pretty sweet Mustang. I don't know if he bought it yet, but we'll see. It's a 65 A code. But let's get back to the car at hand. We're inside the Grand National. This thing runs and drives excellent. Perfect car show candidate. And the steering wheel is extremely nice underneath, so when you take this off, it's like brand new. Oh my gosh. But you can see, there you go. Nice and clean. We have the AC on right now, and it's ice cold. We also have a stereo that's unbelievable. Some Red Hot Chili Peppers. We'll keep that off for the ride. And what we'll do is we'll let it get to operating temperature, and then we'll bring it up into second gear and roll through it. Tranny is a Gen V tranny, so you're going to feel it shift. It's nice and firm. This thing is like a race car. The rear end is freshly rebuilt, about 80 miles, 80 to 90 miles on it, probably 100 when we're finished with the video, and it feels really, really good. You can hear it because they just built it, so it's nice and they're tight tolerances. What we'll do is we'll turn right here. I'm gonna get it out of overdrive. We'll let it shift into second, and then I'll give it some gas, and we'll see if JR thinks it's fast enough for a jet. You ready?
Ready. It's faster than
That's pretty impressive, right? It's probably, it's got to be like a high 10-second car, easy. That feels good. How does it feel compared to your Mustang?
Oh, Mustang's a dog.
Well, it's a regular 289.
It's what I deserve. I don't need a fast car.
Steering feels good. All the electronics work except for the RPM gauge, which is what we talked about earlier. If you're looking for a turnkey, amazingly built Grand National, this is it. When you start to look at all the details, all the expenses that they put into this specific car. By the way, the air was on when we did that pull. You can't go wrong. You're going to go to a show and you're going to win it when you pop that hood. Also, as I said before, if the orange is not your thing, it's all removable. And if you pay the asking price, we will gladly take it off for you. Let's do one more pull from the outside so you can see it fly by.
I think it looks nice, actually.
You like it?
I like, well, it matches with the orange
The thing is, there's purists that might not like it, but then there's guys like John and myself that like the orange.
Yeah, I mean,
so
it matches everything in the car.
Yep.
So.
It feels good. That's partial. That it was like 30% maybe. That's pretty impressive.
Nice car.
Yep.
Feels good.
Yeah, if you have any questions, give us a call, 954-363-2261. We're gonna get your seat out and we'll go for some flybys. You can make your decision on if this is it, if this is the right Grand National for you.
Feels tight.
Yeah.
It's comfy too.
Yeah, I think these are the best. Like, this is you would never expect this to pull up next to something and destroy it.
Oh, it's super comfortable.
And it's got everything that's gonna break built already. So it's running E85, you're not gonna have detonation. We're not having any detonation. Gen V tranny, built rear end. It's got everything. Let's turn around here, drop off your seat.